No need to ask me why my dog is vegan. Instead, ask yourself why yours is not. No need to ask me why my dog is vegan. Instead, ask yourself why yours is not.
Hello students! Welcome to class over here in the dog park. And your job is to see if you can tell which dogs are vegan and which ones aren't, just based on the way that they look. Try!
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how.
So there are all kinds of different dogs here at the dog park. There are big ones and small ones. There are dark ones and light ones. There are those who go in the water consistently and those who kind of sniff around the edges. All different kinds. Can you tell which ones are vegan just by the way they look? Do you think this one's vegan? Do you think this one's vegan? What about this one? The latest research has shown that being vegan is perfectly healthy for dogs as long as they get a well-balanced diet, which consists of vet-approved vegan dog food. This kind of dog food has taurine in it and all of the proteins that a dog needs. More and more vets are recommending vegan dog food after the latest research, which shows that vegan dogs are actually healthier than dogs who eat a normal dog food diet that's bought from the store. In fact, one of the oldest living dogs, Bramble, was vegan. Here's a dog with her tail up, interested in her ball, doing normal dog-like behavior. Here are a couple of very furry white dogs. Do you think they're vegan? Like all dogs, vegan dogs have their own personalities. Some are shy, some are rebellious, some are really outgoing, very focused on the activity that they're engaged in. Some dogs love the water, and other dogs are not so fond of it. Because of the fact that dogs can be vegan, doesn't that make you wonder if maybe you should be vegan too? I mean, why pay for murder if you don't have to? Why kill one animal to feed another when you can have another alternative? If you really think that your dog needs to eat meat, which of these dogs do you think that we should kill in order to feed yours? This one? This one? This one? How about you just help your dog to become vegan? And while you're at it, be vegan yourself too. You can do it.
Go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan. Bet you can't tell which dog is vegan. Bet you can't tell. Bet you can't tell which dog is vegan. Bet you can't tell.
Responding to comments, and yours is next. And you're right. This is just embarrassing at this point, but the dogs are cute. So my response to you is, if you're embarrassed, maybe you should change your behavior. If you're embarrassed to admit that you still eat animals, maybe you should stop. If you're embarrassed to admit that you still take milk from baby cows, steal it, maybe you could stop. Start to drink soy milk or oat milk or almond milk instead. If you're embarrassed that you don't buy vegan dog food yet for your dog, that can change too. Simply Google it. If you're embarrassed that you have a wool jacket or leather shoes, that can change. Going forward, just buy something that you will be proud of. Be vegan from now on.
Go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan. Veggies, fruits, nuts and seeds, put in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate, so be vegan and open up your heart. Lentils! Lentils are protein, lentils are great. Google vegan recipes so you can appreciate their flavor, their texture, not their cruelty-free. A cup has 18 grams of protein, so come be vegan with me.
Reading comments today, here's what you say. You think that the vegan dogs here are depressed. What on earth do you base that on? And if they're really depressed, don't you think that they would try to eat some meat that's here? Look at all this meat. If you really think that these dogs need to eat meat, why do you think they're not attacking each other, taking a bite out of each other, chewing on each other's bones? Because they don't need to. Because they are perfectly healthy. They have enough protein, they have enough calories, vitamins, minerals, all of it. There's no reason for them to not be vegan. Healthy vegan food exists for dogs and also for you. There's no excuse for animal abuse. Stop making excuses. Stop imagining you see things that are not there just because you want to keep eating animals. That's what you're doing right now.
Plants don't feel pain, they don't have a brain, they don't have a nervous system, so it's okay to bite into them. You have a heart, you know where to start. Share this song and be vegan from now on.
Reading comments today, and here's what you say. You're asking if an animal dies of natural causes, if it's okay to eat that animal. So I guess that includes dogs. If this dog was to die of so-called natural causes, let's say of old age, you're asking, would it be okay for you to eat this dog? Would it be okay for you to ask your vet to cut the dog into many pieces, and put the dog's body parts onto styrofoam? You could bring them all home and put them in your freezer and eat some golden retriever a little bit each day. That's what you're wondering? Or are you maybe referring to raccoons who get run over on the side of the road, or squirrels? Being vegan is about not harming animals. And so if that's what you want to do, and they're already dead, go for it.
Dead bodies here, is this a cemetery? Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Why is there so much death in the store? Why do you think you need to buy it? Why is there so much death? Is this a morgue? Is it time to be vegan? Is it time to try it? Why are there dead bodies here? Is this a cemetery? Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Being vegan is healthy for all ages, and yes, even our dogs can be vegan too. Please can we walk away from this place of death? Please can we try something new? Cemetery. Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Why is there so much death in the store? Why do you think you need to buy it? Why is there so much try it. La 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 la. Oh my god, it's vegan lasagna. La 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 la. Oh my god, it's vegan lasagna. My vegan dog is still alive. Look at her run, look at her thrive. If my dog can be vegan, so can you. If my dog can be vegan, so can you.
Being vegan is awesome.
So, you like the backup vocals. That's cool. Thanks for letting me know.
Thanks for saying you appreciate being vegan.
Do you hear that, Bella?
Being vegan is
They like the backup
great.
vocals.
Being vegan is awesome. Thanks for saying you appreciate.
Being vegan doesn't mean that you just do your best not to eat, wear, or use animals. Being vegan also means you bravely speak out to defend them. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.